Hey, Sean here, BlackHealthHQ.com. Look, I hope you don't mind the snuggle. You know, it's a little chilly here in Austin. But look, I'm just thinking tonight, I see so many people going through the weight loss, you know, uh, experiment, right? They're trying to lose weight. They're doing the keto diet. They're doing the vegan diet. They're doing this or that or a third. And what always ends up happening is that people just stop, just done. I think I have a solution to that. I've been working a lot on this webinar. Usually I just do a lot of the blogging, right? You've probably seen some of the blog articles, but I mean, if my passion is for research and teaching, then I feel like that's what I need to bring to folks, right? And so I've created this webinar. I'm creating it right now. It's on the computer in the other room, but it's basically about how plants help us lose weight better and how instantiating or creating new habits, right? That's what ultimately transforms our ability to continue being consistent on a diet, our ability to lose weight and keep it off, right? And not just lose weight. I'm not just talking about losing weight. I'm talking about losing fat. There's a big difference between just dropping. I dropped 10 pounds, 20 pounds, but my body fat percentage is exactly the same, and saying, oh, actually, I'm 8% body fat now, right? I'm 12% body fat now. I was 24, right? When it comes to staving off obesity and the problems that arise from fat around the midsection. I'm talking about type 2 diabetes. A lot of folks don't know that insulin, like anytime you eat a piece of, say, a ho-ho cake, a cookie, right, you spike those insulin levels, the insulin hormone. Really what you're doing is putting sugar into the bloodstream, right? The pancreas gets alerted. It secretes the hormone insulin, right? Insulin, its job typically is to push the sugar into the body's cells in order to nourish the cells, right? The problem happens when it's too much sugar, right, and not enough insulin. What ends up happening is the pancreas ends up trying to convert and convert and convert and convert and pump out more and more insulin in order to deal with the new sugar that you just had to have in your blood system because you wanted to have that ho-ho, and you get pancreatic poop out, as Dr. Furman calls it, right? So, you got insulin that's coming out, but insulin's doing two things. Not only is it trying to push sugar into the cells, it's also telling the body that it's okay to start storing body fat. And that's an issue because when you're storing the body fat blocks the insulin from doing its job, so you end up getting into a vicious cycle. Now you're carrying more weight. It's harder for the blood sugar to be expelled from the blood and into the cells, and you're wasting time. So I think one of the great benefits about the plant-based system that I'm developing is all that goes away, right? Provided that you're not just eating French fries, right? But that you're eating all natural plant and fruits and vegetables. You don't have to worry about generating that level of what's called insulin resistance, right? When the pancreas is just pumping and pumping out insulin and the body doesn't really care because there's too much body fat to allow the insulin to do its job. This is called insulin resistance. This is an issue, but it's an issue that's easily overcome with a healthy plant-based meal, right? A healthy plant-based habit, okay? So I think that the webinar that I'm creating right now is really going to get at how plants help us, how they help us create new habits, and the best way to drop 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds, just depending on your goals. So that webinar, I think, is going to come out. Yeah, I might do it by mid-December. Just I don't know. I think I might do it by mid-December. I think that'll be the time to get everything hammered out, to get it recorded and get it up. And so, if that's something that you're interested in seeing, I'd like for you to hit up the comments and let me know there. But yeah, I'm actually kind of excited about it. It's the first time that I'm actually going to be able to teach outside of the university and finally teach online to people who frankly, you know, who might be more respectful than the students that I'm used to dealing with. And so it'll be nice to actually, to give something of real value to black folks. And so, I mean, that's the reason for Black Health HQ in the first place. But now I actually get to put it in a lecture format and put it out that way. So, so yeah, I think it's gonna be slick. Anyway, that was just a thought that I was having just now, and I wanted to record it. I think I'm gonna do more videos like this along the way as well. So, hey, thank you. Till next time.